You don't need to get rid of your old bike just because there is a lot of noise about electric bikes, thanks to today's technology. Now you can turn your ordinary bike into an electric one and enjoy the power of electricity. With fast speed, it'll save you energy and strength as well. So why not go the whole hog and make your bike electric? It's not that complicated and there are a wide number of kits to choose from. In today's video, we've talked about the 5 best e-bike conversion kits so that you can conveniently choose one for yourself. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Easily convert your ordinary bicycle into an e-bike with the EBIKELING 36V 500W direct drive. Equipped with a 500W hub motor and a 22A controller, it has more than adequate power to perfectly suit your needs. You can also get a 48V 1200W 700C direct drive version if you're looking for more power. The kits are ready to install with the durable aluminum double-walled rim, its pedal assist system, and brake levers are optional, and the kits will operate without them. The kits are waterproof so that you can always enjoy a water-free and relaxing ride even if you regularly ride in rainy conditions. And finally, you can choose from its 2 throttle control options, twist or thumb throttle. Take your bicycle and finish the setup using the EBIKELING 36V 500W direct drive. It's a powerful e-bike conversion kit that'll change almost any bike into an electric one with adequate power that'll definitely increase your overall riding experience. Your standard bike into a top-of-the-line performance electric bike, the Voilamart 26-inch 48V 1500W rear wheel delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and comfort. You can easily be cruising along at 34 miles per hour with this mighty 48V 1500W motor that can produce 45 Nm of torque. Your riding just becomes more effortless with its twist throttle. Oh, its power is restricted to 750W and 24 miles per hour by default to make it a road legal kit. This electric bike conversion kit includes everything except for a battery. And the setup process is simple. Its wheel has nylon tires, alloy rims, and galvanized steel spokes that add to its durability and make it look beautiful. Its throttle has a battery level display and you can instantly cut its power with the push of just one button. It also has a highly efficient 8-point pedal assist sensor which makes your riding experience more enjoyable. The Voilamart 26-inch 48V 1500W is a performance-oriented rear wheel kit that'll transform your bike to make it a fun machine. With safety and reliability, the Anbull 26-inch front wheel e-bike conversion kit is straightforward to install with utmost convenience. It effectively increases the power of your ordinary bicycle and makes it easier and more fun to ride. It features a potent 48V 1000W brushless gearless motor capable of taking you to any road, whether it be a country road, gravel road, or highway. This front wheel conversion kit will require you to switch your front tire, but don't worry, as the installment process is straightforward and effortless. It has nylon tires, stainless steel alloy wheels and spokes, providing a reliable riding experience every time. This kit includes all the necessary components for installation, including motor, wheel, controller, brake levers, user manual, and so on. You'll see its throttle has a display that shows you the battery power, making your riding more connecting and convenient. The Anbull 26-inch front wheel e-bike conversion kit translates to fantastic quality and driving efficiency. It provides you with a better riding experience after installation, and all in all, it'll be a worthy investment, that's for sure. Convert your regular bike with the power of electricity into something with a superpower with the JAXPETY 36V 500W front wheel. This bicycle conversion kit is designed to make your riding hassle-free. It's equipped with a 36V 500W superpowered brushless gearless hub motor with an option for a 48V 1000W that is powerful enough to give you a boost up to around 23 miles per hour. With robust control made from aluminum, power is guaranteed. Besides, this supports pedal assisting that ensures an even easier acceleration, and now you can ride the steep hill with ease. Furthermore, a nylon tire with an alloy rim is also provided with this kit for enhanced riding experience along with exceptional durability. Also, to know the battery level, just check the twist throttle and you'll be better off. Ride easy with the JAXPETY 36V 500W front wheel, an exceptional bicycle conversion kit that transforms your front wheel into a powerhouse that will surely make your whole riding experience remarkable. As the overall best e-bike conversion kit on this list, we have the BAFANG 48V 750W BBSO2B. It has a safer and stronger motor, providing unparalleled performance whether you use it for a mountain bike, road bike, commuter bike. With its powerful 48V 750W mid-drive motor, it is fast enough and safe enough for any riding. It can provide up to a mind-boggling 120 Nm of torque for an exciting ride. This kit offers 3 riding modes: e-bike, pedal-assisted, and electric, which perfectly satisfy your different needs. The BAFANG 48V 750W BBSO2B provides high efficiency and low consumption, and you can't resist this excellent motor if uphill or cycling at a higher speed is something you prefer. So that was all about the 5 best e-bike conversion kits just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.